Creating this course is something that I've wanted to do for a long time. I have had so many requests from people all over the world over many years, and I know Australia is really far away. So creating an opportunity for people who live on the other side of the world to take a class with me is super exciting. I'm really, really glad that I can make it happen. In the course, we'll be using foraged fibres to make cordage or handmade string. We'll be learning how to random weave and create nesty, pod-like baskets that are free-form weaving. We'll be looking at smaller hand-stitch techniques and how you could perhaps incorporate some found objects or integrate clay work with those. I'll be showing you my most loved and most used technique of twining and how you can start that from the top in an open work fish trap style piece, or from the bottom to create basket forms. I'm going to show you my favourite natural dyeing techniques and how they work in basketry. I've got a secret recipe for a mineral mordant that transforms your basketry materials from one colour to another like magic. I'll then be taking you away from the traditional basketry techniques into some soft wire work to create abstract forms that will layer a skin over using sculpture techniques. I'm even going to show you a little bit of leather work so that you can salvage old and broken baskets by placing new handles on them. I'm going to give you some tips and ideas about best practice in the business of fibre art so that you can have a think about if you'd like to make your practice a financial enterprise, not just a hobby. What I would like to give you is the opportunity to put yourself into your work so that you have the foundational ability to make whatever you want. So that you can say, I know how to do it, and now I've got an idea. You see a shape that you like, you find a fibre that is your colour, or you harvest a material that I've never worked with before, and you know how to work that into a piece. I think the major benefit that students might find when they take the course is understanding that weaving and basketry isn't just one thing. It's many different things, so many different kinds of techniques, materials, and sources for materials. Naturally, particular techniques are going to appeal to different people. So I would like to challenge people to find techniques that appeal to them, and then also to try the ones that they aren't as comfortable with. This course is something that you have for life. What a lovely thing to have access to be able to come back and say, okay, I've done a lot of that thing, now I'm going to try one of the others. But that's the way a great artist is made, with a lot of practice. Above all else, at the end of the course, you will have some beautiful objects that you've made to share with the world.